Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on QQ app, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your QQ app on your phone. Right, as you have done that, on the right side you will have the option of login. On the left side you will have the option of sign up. Now we're going to tap on login. Since we have already completed the sign up process, we're going to tap on login. So now, even for the login purpose, you will have to add in your number. Tap on this little icon and tap on this login button, which is simply this blue box, which will light up, and you are good to go. Now you do have options given at the bottom. You can simply go ahead, tap on this, right, and you can simply add a new account as well by tapping on this plus. You can add a new number and you can create yourself a new ID. You can also contact their support from over here if you want to have, if you are having any kind of difficulties while trying to log in, you can do that as well. Other than that, if you've forgotten your ID, you can also search for them. Other than that, you simply got to add in your number on top, confirm it, and tap on the login option, and there we go. You will successfully be able to log in to your QQ app, and that is basically it. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and we'll make sure to come back to you. And that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.